Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money with Cash App, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, locate the $sign icon. Tap on the $sign to open the payment interface. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. After entering the amount, tap the Pay button. In the recipient field, type the person's cash tag, phone number, or email address. Ensure the recipient's information is correct. You can also add a note describing the payment. Once everything looks good, tap the Pay button again to confirm. If prompted, authenticate your identity using your PIN or fingerprint. Wait for the confirmation screen, indicating the transaction was successful. You will also receive a notification for the completed transfer. To view your transaction history, tap the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can see all your previous transactions. That's it. You have successfully transferred money using Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.